What is the word of the day? Find someone to lean on. Sometimes you just need a sister to lean on.
Shout out to you, my G.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Lindy, and my word of the day is mindful. I've really been trying to practice mindfulness because I've been going through a very tough period of my life, and I just realized the power that I have over my emotions through mindfulness. So that's how I've been practicing mindfulness.
Word of the day is obedience. Whoop whoop. I read a quote somewhere that says, sometimes, or more often than not actually, someone else's salvation is on the other side of your obedience. So today I'm here to remind you to be obedient to your purpose, to whatever call God has over your life. Yay!
Hey, Nontokozo. The word of the day today is take it easy. Just be gentle with yourself.
Hi, GalPals. Word of the day. God is able. Amen. God is able.
Hi, GalPals. Word of the day. It's gonna work out. Trust me, it's gonna work
Hey,
out.
girl pals. Word of the day. Voga obangene. Don't be a sleepyster.
Hey, GalPals. So, word of the day is something that I've been reflecting on, which is restoration.
Hey, GalPals. Word of the day is consistency is key.
Consistency is key.
Hi, my word of the day is just do it. Do it hard. Do it when it's easy. Do it when it's very challenging. I did it today. Waking up was hard, but I was like, I'm doing it.
And you did it, honey. You did.
Hey, my word of the day is that the act of showing up is literally taking each step at a time, as I am doing right now. So yeah, each step acts as me showing up for myself.
Hi, GalPal. This is Small Team is here, and word of the day for me is do not be afraid to start over. You know, you can. Nobody's counting how many layers of your refreshments you're starting. You can start all over anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
So my word of the day is self-love. I'm saying self-love because it's derived from my name, Lerato, and I believe that everyone should actually love themselves. Also, we tend to focus or we tend to seek love from other people, and we forget to love ourselves. So self-love is very important, and I believe that the love that we normally seek from others, or we want to find from other people, actually flows from self-love. So remember to love yourself.
Word of the day today is get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Whether you do it alone or you do it in a group, get up and do it. Because the world waits for no one. Get up and do it.
Word of the day for me this morning is consistency is everything. Just that 1% daily makes a whole lot of a difference. Just go out, wake up, do that 1%. Trust me, in 30 days, it makes a whole lot of a difference.
Good morning, Wisdom and Wellness family. This is Janine, and we are on our morning walk with all the gal pals here in Joburg. Word of the day for me is consistency. Let's keep getting those steps in, and I just want to say I'm super grateful for this community. Thank you for everything you do. We love it. And the girls are doing the things. Peace out.
I actually dreamt giving you the word of the day. I think because I went late into the app and I saw that you said we must prepare one. But my word of the day is wisdom. I always pray that every young girl and young women can just acquire a lot of wisdom, because wisdom will save you a lot of stress and pain. Have a good one, y'all.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So my word of the day is discernment, right? I'm picking up from wisdom. So when you're able to discern when to and how to and why, you're able to make the right choices for yourself. So discern before you move. Cheers.
Word of the day is it's okay not to be okay. Just be kind and gentle to yourself. Yay! Thank you.
Yay!
Hi, wisdom and awareness. Word of the day is you can do whatever you mind, put in your mind. So whatever you need is already within you. You just have to unleash the power. You can do whatever you think you can do. Even this walk, I'm setting, but yeah, build yourself a community, and yeah.
Word of the day, let them.
Okay.
Let them love you. Let them walk away. Let them choose you. Let them choose others. Just let them.
Just let them.
Let them.
Woo. I felt that.
Word of the day is every small habit that you commit to today has the power to transform you into the person that you've always wanted to become.
Word of the day is there is more in you. There's always more in you. You can always dig deep. I didn't think I was going to finish, but I did.
What is my word of the day is to just start. Starting is the hardest part, but just start. Thank you.
Word of the day, don't give up, guys. Wake up and try again.
Awesome. Hey, GalPals. So my word of the day is that the season has changed. This is your season to work on yourself. This is a season to claim all the greatness that is meant for you. The season has changed. Those days of you feeling sorry for yourself, those days of you feeling like you're not good enough are over. You need to get up and make sure that you work on yourself and you claim what's yours. You serve a big God and He will never forsake you. Thank you.